Now today's coding question is how to find a maximum number from a list of numbers, right? So here I have defined one list. So our task is to find maximum number from this list. So here 888 is the maximum number, so we should get that output. So that is our task. So if I ask you to solve this question manually, so what you will do? So you will compare each element. So for example, you will take first two elements. So you will take this 1 and 4. So this 1 and 4 you are comparing, you will compare and you will decide 4 is greater, right? Means you will discard now 1. So then again 4 and 9, these two numbers you have. Then again you will decide 9 is the greater number, then you will discard 4, right? So in this way you are going to trace this list and finally you will get the maximum number, that is 888. So we are going to write program in the same way only. So what we will do, so for comparing number, so we will define one maximum number so that we can compare that number with this first element. So here I am defining here max number is equal to 0. For example, our first maximum number is 0. Then what is our next task? We are going to trace this list. So for tracing the list, how we can we can trace a list programmatically using loop. So what we need to do? We need to use for loop for number in number list. So now one by one I will get list element. Now what is our task? So whatever the, so now with this I will get each number from this list one by one. Next we will compare this max number, whatever our max number is there, with the list element. So if max number is, or we will make it like number, if number is greater than max number, if number is greater than max number, then set, sorry here I should take if. So if number is greater than max number, then here I will change this max number is equal to number. So we have done the same thing manually, right? Means we were comparing the numbers and as per that we were deciding the maximum number. Here also we have done the same. So we are comparing the numbers and as per that whichever is the maximum number, that number we are taking in max number. So with this simple logic, you will get maximum number from this list, right? So now here we will print final answer. So with this loop what is going to happen? So this list is going to trace and one by one numbers are getting compared with the maximum number and as per that final maximum number we will get. So I will print the final result using f string maximum number from list is, what is our maximum number? Max number. So this max number variable is going to contain maximum number from this list, right? So this is my simple logic you have to write. So I will now run this program. So here I am getting maximum number from list is 888. So what I will do now, I will change it to 88. So maximum number will be 333. So if I run this, so now here maximum number from list is 333, right? So with this simple logic we got maximum number from this list.